Today, we are launching a platform of environmental law databases, reaffirming our commitment to open science. The goal is to help researchers allow verifiability, replicability, but most of all, to help everyone who deals with environmental law on a daily basis. You can check them all at our website. The first database is dedicated to the case law of the Court of Justice of the European Union. It is entirely dedicated to the climate cases before this court.
At the top, you will find a brief description of the database and the methodology we used to create it. 19 descriptors are listed here, and you will be able to use them in your research. So among them, you'll have year of application, whether the case concerns the emissions trading system or not, type of decision, the predominant thematic area in EU law, the applicant entity in the action, and the EU institutions and member states involved, among others. In addition, you'll have 3 available views. The first is the gallery of suits. It presents visual cards for each case with summary information. This is just for a quick visual exploration. The second and most important one is a table of suits. This provides an exhaustive table containing all descriptors for more advanced research. And the third is the chart view. This displays a graphic representation of the proportion of ETS versus non-ETS cases.
The Climate Litigation Observatory database systematizes cases across jurisdiction. It will help you identify legal grounds, recurrent patterns, and trends in climate litigation worldwide.
Now, this database is a non-exhaustive collection of climate cases, so from multiple jurisdictions, designed to identify patterns and argumentative trends in decisions, and also to cross-reference those cases across different keywords and jurisdictions. On this landing page, you will also find an explanation of each of the 14 descriptors which were used in this database, and you will be able to use them for your research. So, for example, territory, geographic area, court involved, date of decision, related cases, relevance, or case status. You can check the other ones here. The database offers 3 views. The first is the gallery of suits. This gallery contains summary cards that make exploration easier and simpler. The second view shows status of suits in a more interactive display, where you can identify the cases that are pending, decided, or rejected. And then the most complete view, because it will display all descriptors and you can use them, is the table of suits, where it is possible to filter by any of the available descriptors.
The Constitutional Environmental Clauses database identifies how environmental protection is enshrined in 194 constitutions worldwide today.
This database covers 194 national constitutions currently in force. Our goal is to identify which of them enshrine environmental protection. This may be through the recognition of a right to a healthy environment, a duty to protect the environment, provisions on access to environmental information, or even duties of access to information in general, which may be crossed with duties to protect the environment. The database includes 8 descriptors, such as region, EU membership, and the 4 main environmental clauses. So environmental protection, right to the environment, environmental information, and general access to information. Finally, there's a cumulative scoring system that will show you whether a constitution contains 1, 2, 3, or more of these clauses. Furthermore, the database offers 3 types of visualization. The first is the gallery view. This displays the flags of all the 194 countries grouped by region. The second is the table view. This will provide you with a spreadsheet with all the descriptors. This facilitates comparison and also allows filtering across different countries. The third is the graphics view, showing how many constitutions explicitly recognize the right to the environment and how many do not.
Finally, the environmental jurisprudence of the Portuguese Constitutional Court databases compiles and analyzes 114 decisions with environmental relevance. All of these databases are open access. Use them, check out our tutorials, and if you have any questions, just get in touch.